Hello everyone. In this Power Automate session, we will discuss how to save the email attachments to OneDrive for Business. So for this, we will navigate to the Power Automate and we will see how we can do this using Power Automate Flow. So for example, this is my project folder in the OneDrive for Business. Whenever a new project email arrives in my Outlook inbox, we will save those attachments to this folder. So for this, we will create a flow that will automatically save the email attachment to the OneDrive for Business folder, that is the project document folder, whenever a new project document came in the Outlook email inbox. So now let's see how we can do this. So for this, we will create an automated cloud flow that will trigger when a new email arrives. So search for a when a new email arrives action. So select this when a new email arrives trigger action and then provide the flow name saved email attachment to OneDrive for Business and then click on create. Now we will switch to classic designer. So here the email arrives in the folder. If your email is arrives in other folder, then you can select from here by clicking on the folder icon. You can see all other folder where your email arrives. Let's say your email arrives in the archive state or somewhere. So you can select from here and click on show advanced option. So here you can see include attachments is no by default. So we will enable to yes. Also you can make only with attachments. If some of the emails you want to retrieve the document only with attachment, then only the send an email arrives action will trigger. So in that case you can switch to yes for this field. So now we have enabled the include attachment. Now we will click on new step. In the next step, we will get the attachment from the email. So search for get attachment action. So select the get attachment action. Here we will provide the message ID. You can search here. Select the message ID from the dynamic content. Then you can select the attachment ID as well from the dynamic content. So select the attachment ID. So the attachment can be multiple. So for that reason, Power Automate Flow automatically add apply to each action to the flow page. Next, if your mail is coming from original mailbox address to the original mailbox address, so you can provide here. But our mail is coming to the Outlook email inbox, so that's all. In the next step, we will create file in the OneDrive for Business. So from here, select the create file action and here we will provide the folder path where we want to create our file. So select the project document folder and then provide the file name of the attachment, and then provide the file content that is contained bytes. Now we will save this flow. Once the flow is saved, we will click on test button, then click on manually, then click on test button. So now our flow start running. So this is the user 3 account. So from here, I will send the email to the my email inbox. So I will create a new email and I will send an email Haripriya Dhal and I will leave request project document. Let's say the subject. Here I will just add the document folder from the my. So for this, I will click on attach file and from here I will browse this computer. Here you can see I have added one document to the email. Now we will send this email. Now I will show my email address. So for this I will open my Outlook. So here you can see a new email arrives in my Outlook inbox. Now we will go to the Power Automate flow. Here you can see the flow runs successfully, and if I will check my project document folder and I will refresh this folder, you can see the document get saved in the OneDrive for Business folder. So this is how we can use Power Automate to save the email attachment to the OneDrive for Business folder automatically. That's all for today. We will see you on next session where we will see about AI builders. Thank you so much.